So today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. I don't know if I should zoom into my face more, but at the same time I don't want you guys to get you guys like irritated. So
I don't care again. If this wants to clear, if that wants to clear.
Let's dive into the
Just comb. You guys will think
this is like the easiest routine. I'm not going to be shaping my eyebrows. If you want a video on how I shape my eyebrows, comment down below. But then I still want my eyebrows to get fuller than this before I shape it. So after, I'm going to be applying some setting powder to it just to make it lighter than it is currently. But my eyebrows are too dark and I should end up so I'll just apply setting powder. Okay, we're good. Here we are. So to the second eyebrow, same thing. But then if you're in Nigeria, this is like the most common eyebrow pencil. I don't know, am I going to cover my face? Just freaking focus. So this is like the most common eyebrow pencil. And me, I use the shade 18. I don't know if you guys can see it. 18.
Power off.
Okay. I use the shade 18. So that's the most common eyebrow pencil here. So now I'll start off with this brow. Now I'll go in under here. You know what? I'll try to do the eyebrows I did when I was still learning here. So you choose the one that's easier for you, because some people might find the one I'll do here easier, because that's like what I used when I was still learning. So after I'm done lining up my natural brows, I'll give it a little bit of extension. That's here, a little bit of extension. Then I'll line the top. So now I'll just be filling it in. If you notice, I didn't fill it in up to here. So with that, I'll just be taking this brush and combing from here outwards. Okay, so trying to, I guess this is okay. So after that, I'm just going to be using a brow powder. Looks like it's along with my palette. If you don't have a brow powder, use a normal dark shade eyeshadow. So this is my brow powder here. So now I'm using my brow powder. You can use any type of brush, but this was like the closest to me. So no one, but this is like the closest to me. So now the main part of concealing. You see, the main part of eye pencil, it's of eye makeup is concealing. So when I like to conceal, I don't go straight with this tube. If I have to conceal, I go here, I put it on my hand. So I know why it's taking so long to press. Okay, so basically I will be using this much, but then I won't even finish it. I won't finish it up. That one is for sure, I won't finish it. So because I don't know, I feel eyebrows were the first things I actually knew how to draw. The thing that took me the longest to learn was eyeshadow. So let me give you guys a little trick. I don't know where I learned this from, but I know I learned it from somewhere. So to conceal, if you want your arc to be perfect, start from the arc. So, and when you are putting on your concealer, don't go straight. You can first share it on your lid. Share it equally on your lid first. After you're done, then you now be taking the remnant upwards, remnant rather.
someone has corrected me about that before. that it is not remnant, it is remnant. And I'm like, okay, sister. It wasn't my sister, it was like a friend. It wasn't like a friend, it was a friend. English has a way of twisting everything. It is a friend, but she is not a past friend, she is still a friend. Never mind, I'ma just stop talking.
Okay, so now that we've gotten the arc, you just want to try to blend out this so it doesn't look too. When you're taking it, you take it down, don't take it up because you're trying to make it equal. So you take it down. Okay, you good? Yeah. So now we'll start with this top part, then just going with it. Yeah, and you are done concealing it down. So now to conceal the top, you go in, same thing. If you are a beginner, start your concealer like far away from where you have to conceal, so you don't end up putting too much product close to where you have to conceal. Not too far, but just like bearable far. So now you start concealing. I'm not going like straight to form an arc. You take it gradually. If you start here, take it like that, take it like that. So it's like a continuous something. So I started here, so I took it like this. Then after I took from here like that. Then I stopped where I ended like that. Then another place where I ended like that. Then here, then here. Still trying to form that arc. I'm not diving into it because that's what you need to know as a beginner. You know that most YouTubers, they fast forward their tutorials, so at the end of the day you feel like they are just going in like well, it's just like a gradual something. So now that I'm done making that line, if I don't feel okay with it, I'll now go under here just to make that line like smaller, because you don't want the end looking larger than the beginning. Okay, so after you're done with that, you just go in with any blending brush you have and just tap it in. Don't spread, tap. So now that's the first part. You just eye blending, so that's all you have. Okay, so now with this one, I will show you how I used to do my brows when I was just learning, so you know which is easier for you and which you prefer following, because that one is like everything like each. Because when I was still drawing my brows, then I still looked good at it, even if they weren't good enough. So without the setting powder though, but let me just show you how I used to draw my brows. So then I'll just go in and just shade it. I don't know, now it's really hard for me to do it, but I feel like I'm already like okay with how I used to do it before. So before, I'll just go in and when you're holding your pen, when I'm holding my pencil before, I just used to like hold my pencil tight. You see, so this time around I'm not drawing, but then it's still okay. You got me? So after, what I used to do, just take my spoolie, but that was not the brush I was using for my eyebrows then. It was like another like mascara brush I used like ever since. So that was what I was using for my eyebrows then. So I'll just go in and just like, I wouldn't even care the direction the sheet is going to. I'll just do this, just so everything will even out. Then after, I'll now comb my brows. Then later, after I'm done with that, I'll now conceal. When I was concealing that time, I was using this brush. I still have it. So this is the brush I'll be using. I was using this brush that time. I was still working. So yeah, I was just taking concealer, and then I just used to like, I don't know, it's so hard for me to do it now because I've already like started a new life. After a new life with a better direction. Normally, if I was doing it before now, I would have packed a lot of this thing, but I don't know, I'm over the lifestyle. So you guys will choose the one you want to follow, the tutorial you want to follow. As you can see, for this eyebrow, I didn't even bother putting like a brow gel. I'm sorry, brow powder rather. So because of the brush is tiny, it's easy for me to distribute what I'm saying. Okay, so we're done with that. Then on top, I don't know, I feel like if this brow turns out okay, I won't bother redoing it. Because what I was thinking is I'll just redo it and start my normal tutorial. You feeling me? You feel me? So I don't even know which one I'll upload first, whether the eyebrow tutorial or the look I want to do on what I want to do. So whichever one comes first, I know that you guys love me. Okay, so this is how the brows look like. Let me just blend that out so you see properly. Okay, so apparently this is how it looks like. A or B. So don't, if you end up following this B, let me just give you a simple trick on what to do. You know, some people when they are concealing their brows, they also conceal here to make sure it's a perfect box. Don't do that, because your own eyebrow, you do not shave here to make sure it's a perfect box. Do you understand? So just to make this perfect, make it a little bit bearable, I'll be taking a little bit of setting powder, then just going in at this top part just to make it fade more. So if it's the B you end up following, you can do this too. Okay, so now that is faded. So to make it as dark as this is, so now with that brow powder, I'll just yeah, you got me, like that. So then, because of this is not my normal size eyebrows that I have learned how to do, I'm just, you know, I'm just modifying this thing a little bit. Though you can go in with the first one I did, if you want to, but if you want to modify, please modify along with me. It's no crime. It's no crime at all. It's no crime at all. So now I'll just be like shortening this thing into what just the now it looks weird. Now I look weird. I don't have a second brow. I have more like an angled eyebrow. I don't know, should I clean it and start over? But then I don't have that time. Here I go again. I claim I don't have time, but I have enough time. But then I don't have that time. I do not have that time. Okay. I think I modified it enough. You know, just to make all things being equal, I'll just apply more concealer. So it's alright. This is not what I started with. That part is like a rough surface because I have acne there. I swear, my acne just chooses to grow anywhere. Like, you don't have a right to my face, okay? So please, let's hold it. Let's hold it here. The fact that I'm allowing you stay doesn't mean that you take advantage of my skin. Huh? If I wanted you gone, you would have packed out for the past how many years? But then I don't know how to make you go. I need help. You guys, please send help. I do need help. And I don't need help from dictatorial. Something. Super serious gardener. So this is my eyebrows after modifying the shit out of it. It's so fine. I don't know, you can't see my smile, but then you can see my face lift up. Okay, so funny story, I prefer this to this. I prefer my modified eyebrows. Yeah, don't do this. Don't do that unless you want to clear like the harsh lines around there. So bye bye, see you guys in my next video. My next video too, I would use this eyebrows, but then I want to like make it like you get like cut the shit out of it. So now I'm going into my next video. Maybe I should make my never mind, I'm just going to go into my next video. Bye.